Hi, welcome to the Daily Motivator. From the words of the late Christian singer Keith Green, going to church makes you about as much of a Christian as going to McDonald's makes you a hamburger. So I took that quote and played upon it in my gym. Going to a gym makes you about as fit as going to Chipotle makes you a burrito. I don't care if you're a member to 6 gyms and you go every day, you might not become very fit if you go in there lackadaisical, rest a long time between sets, get a drink, talk a lot, read the paper when you're on the treadmill, watch TV and stay focused on that when you should be focusing on your breathing. When you get into the gym, you bust your butt. You have a goal, you have structure, you know exactly how many reps, sets you're going to do, and you go in there and you kick it hard for 30 to 45 minutes. That's all you need. You get out, you do your homework outside of the gym by drinking a lot of water and making good, healthy, moderate choices, and you get physically fit. Now let's do it now. Have a great day.